2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. Driver's side is blowing warm air. Well, no matter what you're going to do, that knob ain't going to go anywhere. And what it is, it's an actuator inside the system that's gone bad. That's this bad boy. There's gears inside there. This little motor here turns gears inside that open up the door that make the hot and cold go through. Gears inside a brake so it won't move past wherever it can't pass move. But very easy. A shop will easily charge you $250 to replace this. All you got to do is just go underneath this where the dash pedal or the gas pedal is, right underneath there. Take out that plastic thing that's covering the heater core, and you just saved yourself some money. The part at the O'Reilly's or AutoZone costs us about $38 or so. Very easy to do. And yes, like I said, save yourself some money.
So come on, hit that like button and subscribe.